The first and most important thing for a believer to have, brothers and sisters, in their life, without it, you can't be a grateful person. You have to understand the reason and the purpose why you are created. Why are we here in the first place? Why do we have such a short life? What are all these things around us, these creations that keep reminding us about something? What do they want to tell us? They want to tell us that we have a purpose in life. And that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created us for a short time in order to test us, to examine us. This is a test for us to know, not for Allah to know, because Allah already knew. But obviously He is a fair God. Allah is fair. So He needs us, we need to go through it in order so that on the Day of Judgment we can stand in front of Allah and say, Ya Rabb, now I know why. If you punish me, I know why. And if I enter paradise, I know why I deserve it. The purpose in life is a test from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. There is Jannah and there is Jahannam. If you want to enter Jannah, you have to work for it. And in order to enter Jannah, you have to earn it. This is why Allah said in the Quran, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أحسب الناس أن يتركوا أن يقولوا آمنا بالله وهم لا يفتنون ولقد فتنا الذين من قبلهم فليعلمن الله الذين صدقوا وليعلمن الكاذبين. Which means, did people assume that they will be left alone just to say, I believe, Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa anna Muhammadan Rasulullah, without being tried and tested on that word? And we have tested the ones before them. And we will know who are the ones who are truthful in that word and who are the ones who are liars when they said that word. I bear witness that there is only one God, Muhammad is His messenger, so work towards worshipping Him. Work towards Jannah if you believe in that. Obey Allah and His messenger. Stay away from what He has forbidden. Thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for what He has given you if you bear witness to this, that He is your Lord. So Allah has to test us, and this is the purpose in life. You'll either earn paradise or not. For this reason, my dear brothers and sisters in Islam, a true mu'min, when they receive a calamity, you know what a calamity is, right? A trial. Something that, if you don't believe in Allah, you will think, why is this happening to me? But as a believer, when you receive that calamity or that misfortune, you know that this is a test at the moment for you. Will you pass it? Or will you fail it? Are you going to sit there and whine over and over again and say, why me? Why not someone else? What have I done? What did I do to deserve this? Have you recalled a moment in your life when you were tested? What did you say? How did you feel? What did you think? Have you recalled a moment in your life where you thought to yourself, why is this happening to me? I'm still young. I want to party a little bit more. I want to go out with the boys, but I can't because I'm ill. Or something's happened to me. Or some of us say, I wish no illness happens in my family because then I'm going to miss out on the next weekend with the boys, maybe. Always afraid of some calamity or misfortune because we want to enjoy a little bit more of life. We want to live life to its fullest. We want to enjoy it a little bit more. There's nothing wrong in Islam with enjoying life a little bit. But obviously not in that mentality. We are not ready to be tested. We are not ready to be tried. You know what that means when you're not ready to be tested, not ready to be tried? Well, you have to revise your iman. Are you really a truthful person when you said, oh my Lord, I believe in you that you are my God, and I believe in the Quran, and I believe in Jannah, but I want to enter it without earning it. I just want to sit back, enjoy life, and enter Jannah for free. It's not possible.